Foster has walked, popped up to second, and grounded out to short.
Oh, shit.
Boston leads Baltimore at Camden Yards 6-2, top of the...
What the hell? Jeez. She's like slowly coming toward us, and what? What the fuck? Oh, Lord.
But he's a stronger, stockier guy than Tim. He misses outside here.
No signal.
94 miles an hour.
Busted ass, and that's a U-turn. One bowl U-turn, and she can't even make it all the way. Wow, that is a whole lot of fail right there.
Right-handed hitter. Here's the 1-2. Curve.
That means you ran the light. Useless signal ever.
With your ghost again. It's a shame about
Jesus, dude. What the f?
how soon we'll be together. And I can't wait till then. I can't wait till then.
Behind the count 0-2. That was a sinking fastball, a two-seamer. Longoria glides out to short, and a leaping catch was made by Kingery back in the first inning, and then he struck out in the fourth. One out, Posey. The pitch to Longoria.
Asshole.
And away. Batsman missing at 95 miles an hour.
Tire breaking. The left lane. Okay. Unbelievable. Wow. That was insane. Oh, what the f... It says no parking, you idiot. There's a big ass sign with a P and a sign of that right there. Okay.
This KATM Modesto's knocked in.
What are you... It's a green light. you shouldn't be braking. Tell me 400, and he's like, yeah, Wheelworks, and you know, obviously they're a competitor. I'm not gonna sing their praises, but they use a lot of like, what the hell?
Use a lot of what?
Like just they don't use OEM parts. They'll
shop. I had one place print my business cards, another print my brochures, and a third my signs. Now my roses aren't red, my violets aren't blue, my geraniums look dead, and I don't know what to do. Staples can help your business stand out with signs, banners, and brochures that are a true reflection of your company. And now it's $50 or more on print off your next in-store purchase. Now my business is blossoming, and I'm spending less green. Exclusions apply. In-store only. 10/6/23/18.
The Home Depot has free carpet installation for any carpet purchase over $699. Free installation, as in no hidden fees for moving furniture, ripping carpet, carpeting stairs. Charge for their free carpet installation? We don't.
Just off the inside. The knees were buckling for Rojas, and he jumped away from it, but it only missed by 3 inches or so off the inside. 2 runs in, the Marlins have tied the game here in the 6th inning. All of the hits Bumgarner allowed tonight.
What the Hello? You? Jesus. Smart. There's no one behind me.